when we're getting organized, how do we simplify this? We say, what are 3 simple steps to move the ball forward that's not going to let that overwhelm creep in? Hi, I'm Paige Killian, and I'm passionate about helping busy moms of littles get organized in 3 simple steps. So here's today's organization motivation. Where you ask for backup and you ask for somebody and say, I did a lot of the hard stuff and now I just need a girlfriend to come in, maybe with a bottle of champagne. I'm just saying, there's that thing. And then also just come in and say, like, this is hard for me. Can you sit with me in this floor, have a tearful moment, take some pictures, and then let's decide what to do with these things. And also, you know, this is a big thing since Grandmommy has passed. There were a couple things that we held on to and that siblings and cousins did hold on to. And I said, we can't let these go back to our house and live in boxes. Mm-hmm. These were important to us and important enough for us to take them from our house. So do we need to look at a floating shelf on the wall in a sweet space to highlight that? So that every day you walk by, like I have a necklace, I mounted a necklace thing in my closet. When I walk by now, I've started this new thing where when this is hanging, I just touch it. Mm-hmm. And then I keep going. And I'm like, I'm so glad that's not hidden in a drawer or in a box, you know? Because like I need the moment. I need the moment. Mm-hmm. And so those things are important. If you've decided the books, for example, if you've decided like, I want to get rid of the books because I'm not going to read the books and I would like to get a little ROI, you know? Go to the box. Mm-hmm. Put your hands on the box. Be like, okay, box, it's you and me. Books, love you. My mom loved you. And now I'm going to look up where I'm going to donate those, or I'm going to look up how I can get those on, you might know what to do. Kasha, you might know better than I do, of like good stuff where you could sell it. Mm-hmm. I don't know that that's my area of expertise. I don't want to mess that up. Where's Bliss might know. Bliss might know. We might ask Bliss. Denise and I have a friend who like sells stuff, and I don't know if she's still doing that, but on eBay, because she just like has learned how to do that really well. Shoot for 1% better. All that is leaning into just the beginning process, because inevitably you're going to do better than 1%. I would argue that if you go and you have a little conversation with that box today and say, love you, thank you, pull out your phone and just start searching, you know, where do I sell, how do I sell first edition books of blah, blah, blah. Look up those particular, pull out one book, look up that particular one, see how much it's going for, see who's, you know, whatever, if that's what you want to do. And this is
know some rare book dealers.
Oh, you do?
Oh, see,
she knows some book dealers.
We do. Okay.
Already better than 1%.
Okay.
Already better. We're already better.
Also,
Thank you.
she's an art historian, so if you have the box of photos too, just go ask her.
Yay!
Yay.
Pictures.
Good one.
Okay,
Very
thank
good
you,
one.
Lauren.
The 3 E's philosophy, thanks to my friend Kelly, actually, we put names to these 3 simple steps to basically get the ball moving forward. You guys heard that I was a teacher for many years. I was a kindergarten teacher for 10 years and then actually taught at the school for a few. And what I found organically before 3 E's was a thing is that I would give the kids 3 simple steps to move whatever it was we were doing forward faster so they didn't get distracted. Because I'm an adult, but sometimes I feel like I'm a 5-year-old and I'm like, squirrel, but there's so many things. Kind of like how you might even feel too when there's so many things. So you're like, I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna go over here. So for example, we would be out on the playground and I would say, we'd be after lunch, I'd be like, grab your lunch bag, go use the bathroom, join me on the carpet. Simple. If I didn't say that and we just, okay guys, everybody inside. They break, you know, it's like some of them decide to go to the bathroom like they're supposed to. Some of them forget their lunch bag. So when we get into the carpet, they interrupt and they're like, oh, but I left can I go get my lunch bag? Right. So it's like you give them the 3 simple steps. Then once they're on the carpet and you do the lesson, you dismiss them to the table. You say, go to your table group, write your name on your paper, look at me when you're ready. It helps us with the transitions, right? And so I thought, okay, well, when we're getting organized, how do we simplify this? We say, what are 3 simple steps to move the ball forward that's not gonna let that overwhelm creep in? Because that is real. And if you think about all the things you have to accomplish, that's stressful. It's really overwhelming. So instead, let's think about 3 simple steps that's gonna move the ball forward. Then we do 3 more steps after that if there's still more to be done. So it's different for everybody, but what is your essential thing? What is the thing that is a non-negotiable you have to get done? Sell those books, girl. What is your enhancement? This is something that adds style or value to what you already did. So if I always say the essential is the purge. So when you decide what you don't need. So actually the enhancement to that is that then you're gonna do the sale or the donation, and you're gonna decide like, do I want ROI or can I donate this to somebody else it's gonna serve? And then the final step, the extra, is actually putting in the proper organizers to organize what you have left over. So I like to do that, but those don't have to be your 3 E's. Yours can be different, but it's just a way of focusing on starting without it feeling massively overwhelming, getting the ball rolling, and then like I said, inevitably you're gonna do way more than 1%. So that's it. And if your essential is not a purge because you've already done that, and it's just time for organizing, then you might wanna look at a space and you might wanna say, there's that one stack of mail that I can never seem to get rid of. So today's the day that I'm gonna grab that while I'm binge watching, Grey's Anatomy. And that's my fave. And I'm gonna shred this and I'm gonna throw it away. This one I'm gonna put in a stack because I need to call tomorrow, the insurance company. And then this one I'm gonna, this is, our school bills, I'm gonna pay it, or, whatever. Then, maybe the enhancement to that is like, I have been wanting new drapes for the longest time. So I'm gonna focus on getting those drapes hung up. That's really what I want, or whatever your thing is. And then the extra maybe, oh my gosh, I can't even handle my old vacuum cleaner. I'm finally gonna get the new Dyson and mount it in the closet over here. Do you know what I'm saying? Just like pick your 3. They don't have to look like anybody else's. Good? 3.
I promise.
Perfectly, but we can do everything with style, and style is what works for you. So it doesn't necessarily mean like cute outfits and great haircuts. It's like, what is the style of you doing stuff? Are you a person that would create a lot of chaos and clutter and craziness, and then you would literally just be taking stuff out and it would be all over your floor, and a month later you would be like, I hate Paige. You know what I'm saying? If that is not gonna motivate you immediately to get on top of it because you want to walk in and see a clean floor in 2 days, if that is not your style, don't do it like that. Grab a bag with handles. We're shooting for 1% better. Grab a bag with handles, maybe 2 if you're feeling really optimistic. In between commercials, if any of us still watch commercials anymore, grab a bag with handles. Go into your kids' room and pick up something they don't love, that doesn't fit them, they're not gonna miss whatever, stick it in the bag. Go to your kitchen and be like, oh my gosh, I have 34 spatulas and Paige that I can't have that many. Grab 5, put them in that have seen their day, whatever. Don't think, am I gonna donate? Am I gonna sell this? I don't know. Just put them in the bag. Put them in the bag.
Enhancement, essentials, and?
Start with essentials, which are essential. Then your enhancement, that's gonna add style or value. This is where we're either gonna get ROI, so you're gonna decide you're gonna donate it, or you're gonna decide you're gonna donate it. Decide you're gonna donate it, or you're gonna do like a sale of some sort. And then your extra, that's the last thing.
Extra.
Good, Sarah. Last thing is the extra, which is putting in the proper organizers in order for you to like live an organized life, right? Bag with handles, and then you're gonna put the bag, let's say you're gonna donate it, you're gonna put the bag in the front seat of your car, not in your trunk. Repeat after me. I will put the bag in the front seat of my car, not the trunk. Hey, thanks for watching this video.
For more resources to organize and style your busy life in 3 simple steps, head over to everythingwithstyle.com and connect with me on Instagram at everythingwithstylemom. Don't forget to check out the Mom's Organization Motivation podcast over on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, any of your favorite platforms. And if you loved this video, it would make me so happy if you would subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing.